Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations for the value of x. We have 4 power x equals odd range. So let's solve this by considering the solutions from here. So here we are going to introduce logarithm to both sides. So we have log 4 power x equals log odd range. So then by rule of log, suppose we have log p raised to power n. So this equals n log p. So by trying to apply this rule from here, we have this becomes x log 4 equals log 100. So let's try to divide both sides by log 4. So by dividing both sides by log 4, we have log 4 cancelled log 4 here. So then we have our x equals log 100 divided by log 4. But we can break 100 into the product of 4 multiplied by 25 divided by log 4. And when we have a kind of logarithm like this, here is just like multiplications. So where it is in the form of log a multiplied by b, so this equals log a plus log b. So we have to consider this. So by applying it to this one, we have x equals log 4 plus log 25 divided by log 4. And then, so let's try and separate this as log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 25 divided by log 4. So after having this, log 4 cancelled log 4, we have x equals 1 plus, and also we have log 25 divided by log 4. So which you can write this thing as log 5 raised to power 2 divided by log 2 raised to power of 2. Then from one of the law I applied above, we write this as 1 plus 2 log 5 divided by 2 log 2. And we'll cancel 2 and 2 from here. We have x equals 1 plus, here is log 5 divided by log 2, which we can write this thing as log 5 base 2. So this is the answer to this problem, and let's try and verify if this is truly equal or not. So we are going to substitute this thing in the given questions, and we'll consider if the left hand side and the right hand side are equal. Let's substitute the value of x here. So we know the x we got is x equals 1 plus log 5 base 2. So by replacing x with this, we have 4 to the power of 1 plus log 5 base 2. We want to check if this equals 100. So we have to focus more on this. So 4 to the power 1 plus log 5 base 2, we can write this thing as 4 raised to power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to power of log 5 base 2. So is this equals 100? Then from here, 4 raised to power 1, that is 4 multiplied by, then here is 4. If I write this as 2 to the power of 2 log 5 base 2. So is this equals 1/100. And if I let these two come to the power of this 5, we have 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power of log 5 raised to power 2 base 2. So anytime we have a kind of logarithm like this, suppose we have, I want to verify if this equals odrent. Suppose we have a raised to power of log b base a, so this equals b. That is, this base and the base of logarithm must be the same before we can choose this letter b. So therefore, since we have confirmed that this is and this are equal, then we have 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2. So is this equals odrent? And obviously, here is 4 multiplied by 5 raised to power 2, that is 25. And 5 times 25 equals odrent. That is, 1 odrent equals 1 odrent. The left hand side and the right hand side of these equations are equal. So we can now conclude that the value of x here that satisfies this equation is 1 plus log 5 base 2. So this is how to solve this. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.